Mario once again, and wow, this is so bright. I just completed the MIA Roto-Trike 3-in-1 model that I've been shown in some other videos. Just completed the elevator rudder section vertical horizontal stabilizer assemblies here. These parts right here, I needed to refine them so they're complete. You can see how I'm able now to work the rudder and also the elevator. So that's complete. So this is ready for covering. I'll be covering with this material, which is the lightest ripstop nylon that you can get on the market. Very lightweight stuff. Same thing with the rotary wing. That's also complete, and that could, be just mounted on the model, provided that I take off this flex wing here. Now this flex wing here has variable geometry. Um, Architecture, which is I'm not going to show the exact parts. If I start selling these as kits, you'll understand once you see that in the real parts. So I'm not going to show the variable geometry because those are some of my techniques and tricks that I employ on some of these wings in order for them to fly super stable and be able to not only fly stable but also recover from very tight turns. I've spent years on these things, refining those details on these gliders, and even on these less complex ones. Less complex meaning that if you compare this wing with my microlight wings that are in the 1.25, 2.0, almost a 3 meter size, quarter scale size microlights, you'll see that this wing is a lot simpler than that. Although I did go one extra step and I started to sew this wing, do these pockets for the leading, trailing edges, um, supports instead of just wrapping it around like I did this blue wing right here. You can see that's not sewn, but still works this way. Um, just wrapped around, but this one I did it sewn, and it's got a little more details. You'll see that it's got a center rib right here, very similar to the MIA Roto-Trike, and like I said, the larger ones. This also does not have uh, the ribbing that the other ones. It doesn't need it because it's a very lightweight model. And if you have seen some of the videos that I did recently, flying at night with the version that's got a plastic wing and also that blue wing, you can see how beautiful the model flies. Very stable, very easy to recover. Like I said, because of these the variable geometry tricks that I employ on some of these aircrafts. So this is where it stands.